my channel. It's your girl Angel Parson here, back with another makeup tutorial. Today I did this beautiful, I don't even know what kind of look this is. Honestly, I have no name for this. I just did something to do with pinks just because my shirt, I want to match my shirt and everything. So before we start this video, I want to thank all of you who are following me and some that comment down below. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. And if you're new, please like this video and subscribe and join the team and the gang, because you know we just do a lot of things. And let you guys get right into the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it. And so let's get right into the video. First thing I'm going to do is moisturize and prime the face.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pit in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages.
So now we're going into foundation. This is my favorite foundation of them all. This one right here just makes my face look amazing. Hopefully there's still some in here. Okay guys, so I went and did my lashes and everything else. Right now this one, my eye keep watering, so if this kind of lift up, that's the problem. I'm gonna go on into this MAC powder, the mineralized skin finish, on into this Morphe E41 brush, and I'm gonna pat this over the whole face. And the reason I pat this, it blends perfectly. It blends everything together. When you do it this way, it just sticks to anything. Like if you have pores, you won't see that if you find that you pat it on. Next thing I'm doing is going into my blush. You know what I'm gonna use. I use this all the time with my Morphe M530 brush. I use these two colors. Going into my mascara. I'm gonna go into my highlight, and I'm gonna be using this gellar. So at first with this, I was always wetting my brush for the face highlight, but I'm just gonna start wetting it for the nose highlight, because I realized every time that I will wet my brush for the face highlight, I have big pores, so it was seeping through. So now I'm just not gonna do that no more. I'm just gonna do this regularly and not wet my brush, even though it does look better when you wet your brush, but it might work for some of y'all instead of me, because I have big pores. If you don't have big pores, then you can totally wet your brush. Now this brush I am going to spray. I use this brush for under the brow bone highlight. I use it for the tear duct part, and I also use this as a nose highlight. So I use this a lot. This is the Morphe M213 brush. Dropping makeup in and then wasting it. And going back into these two orange and purple shades, I'm going to put those on the waterline. I'm going to mix my highlighters together today, and I'm going to use this Artist Couture. This stuff here gets everywhere. Look how glittery that is. It's like, oh! This is why I don't use this. Y'all see what I'm talking about? All of it just spilled all over the floor. And that stuff is crazy. It's all over my pants, all over my hands. That stuff gets everywhere, so I have to clean it up now. I got this stuff everywhere. Using this dark lip pencil again. And I'm gonna show y'all how much of it got on the floor. Around. Oh my gosh, it's glitter all over the room. Going into this tarteist lip paint. What color is this? Birthday suit. Glitter lip stuff. It's like a topper. Lastly, might hurt before I spill something else. I'm gonna spray myself with this Mario Badescu spray. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Today, I don't know what is wrong with me. I've been dropping everything, floating around in this room. That stuff is crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Can't stress that enough. You know, I'm gonna keep on saying it. It's not gonna go nowhere. Follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram at angel_Danielle with 2 E's at the end. And that being spelled ANGEL_DANIELLEE. Snapchat is AngelDoll707. ANGELDOLL707. That is all. See you guys in the next tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.